Hello, here I have a blow dryer by Aniekin. That is Aniekin. The blow dryer I have here is silver, but it comes in many other different colors as well. It is a lightweight blow dryer with a removable bottom here to change and clean the filtration system. And then it just easily pops back on when you're done. It has just two buttons here, one to control the temperature, and then one to control the blow drying settings. So it goes from off to medium to large. As you saw, there is an LED light around here that will indicate the temperatures. You have red for hot, purple for medium, and blue for cold. If you didn't hear that, red for hot, purple for medium, blue for cold. It also comes with these plastic magnetic attachable a diffuser, and then just a normal blow drying attachable, just like that. Both are also plastic and very lightweight as well, and they are smooth. Alrighty, that is all.